हेलो माय डियर भाई लोग, की हाल चाल, सत श्री अकाल। ये हो गया मेरे जेसन भाई का इंट्रो स्टाइल। बट एनीवे, वेलकम टू डिनोज वॉल्ट, वेलकम टू अनदर अपडेट वीडियो अबाउट द ड्यूक 390 BS6 model with the quick shifter. Now we all were hoping for a proper quick shifter when they had introduced the quick shifter plus feature in the Duke 390 BS6 model, which is kind of unheard of in the below 3 lakh price segment. So a lot of expectations, but it was all let down because the quick shifter was not working like a quick shifter should. It was not working with a wide open throttle. It was getting stuck, and there were a lot of issues with the blipper as well as the quick shifter. But eventually my friend bought a new Duke 390 just recently, few weeks back. I covered the delivery video as well, but I'm going to ride his bike today, and I actually rode his bike yesterday, but everything went wrong. I don't know. See, the problem with us YouTubers, we have to create content on a day-to-day basis, lot of hard work, lot of things to take care of. So mic setup, GoPro adapter, and again the separate mic adapter, and the mic placement to ensure the wind noise doesn't come, and of course the post-production work to fine-tune the audio. But something went wrong, or everything went wrong, because the camera angle was perfect and the footage was good, but the audio went completely wrong. Means there was a lot of wind noise, मेरा वॉइस सुनाई नहीं दे रहा था, तो पूरा गड़बड़ हो गया, मूड ऑफ हो गया डिनो भाई का. तो अगेन आई कॉल्ड हिम राइट नाउ, and he came. He was courteous enough to come, and today I just took it out for another spin now and did the video all over again. So you can go ahead and hit the like button to appreciate the effort. Just an update video to let you guys know that the Quick Shifter Plus is working like an absolute charm now on the Duke 390 BS6 model, and that is what makes now the Duke 390 BS6 an absolute firecracker of a deal, because the way the quick shifter works is as good as the one on the 790 or any other big bike model that we have experienced before. And giving that kind of experience in a sub 3 lakh category, price category, is unbelievable. So hats off to KTM. And yeah, so you'll enjoy this vlog. So without further ado, let's go ahead with this. Hello there guys, welcome to Dino's Vault. Welcome to another update vlog about the BS6 KTM Duke 390, which we all know gets quick shifter plus, which means it gets a proper quick shifter with an auto blipper, which means clutchless upshifts as well as downshifts. Now we all know how quick shifter works, that it works with a wide open throttle, and that's sheer bliss. But the problem the Duke 390 was plagued with right from the moment it was launched with the BS6 Avatar was the quick shifter was not working as it was supposed to. It was getting stuck when we tried to upshift with a wide open throttle. But this is my friend's new Duke 390 BS6, which I had already shot a delivery video of. You might have seen that vlog. Looks good. I call it the white lightning. Looks absolutely stunning in this white and orange attire with black wheels. I personally like this new color scheme, and amazing looking LED headlamp, and 320mm front disc. It does get the Supermoto ABS, which means you can lock the rear wheel. But my question is, does this new model get a software update or something that has improved the quick shifter and made it the way it is supposed to work? Now if it works like a proper quick shifter, then this machine offers unbeatable value at this price range. Getting a bike with quick shifter as well as auto blipper that shifts up with wide open throttle is unheard of. So first let me tell you, let me just quickly show you. We have ABS and Supermoto mode, and you can just need not long press. You can put it on Supermoto mode, but since we are on road, better to put it to dual channel ABS. And quick shift plus, it's on, you can turn it off. But that is why I am here to check whether the quick shifter gets a software update, or maybe the new models that are being rolled out come with a proper quick shifter that is working the way it is supposed to work. So I love the orange rev counter here, so let's not waste any more time. I already shot this vlog once. Oh, it does! It does! That's something really, really amazing, and worth standing up and applauding KTM for what they've done here. A bike that costs under 3 lakhs gets a quick shifter as well as an auto blipper, which is scintillating stuff. Wow! Now that has made the Duke 390 an absolute missile on 2 wheels. We gotta fill up some fuel. We'll do that on our way back. This is just a quick update video, just giving you a dose of how smoothly the quick shifter works now on this new Duke 390 BS6 model. I had already shot this video yesterday, but the audio went horribly wrong. I don't know what happened. I'm just hoping that the audio records well now, and I think something went wrong somewhere. Maybe the 3.5mm jack or the adapter didn't plug in properly. I just hope, because there's never been a problem with the audio before. Yesterday was the first rare case, so I'm shooting all over again, so you can imagine the kind of things we people do for you guys to keep you updated. Oh, 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 wow. Oh, what a jubilation, absolute jubilation. I can't I'm tempted to buy a Duke 390 again. You guys know that I've owned the same model prior. Mine was one of the first bikes to be delivered, and I enjoyed it thoroughly. It served me really well, no major issues, and yeah, there were some fond memories with that. And the blipper now works flawlessly as well. It kind of rev matches on its own if you're shifting down abruptly. So that's everything that you can ask for. And yes, as I told you, you also get a supermoto mode where you can turn off ABS on the rear wheel and you can perform those drifts and slides effortlessly. But this is something we all hope for. Imagine this being introduced on the RC, and it will become the ultimate track weapon ever in this price range. So really having my fingers crossed for the RC update, slated to happen next year. If only it should get the quick shifter plus, please. It's almost as if we are praying to KTM to offer that, because the quick shifter is deserving on that machine. It's an absolute weapon. With a BS6 update, it was still doing around 174 or something in my high-speed stability test. You can watch my RC390 BS6 review video in detail, and I fell in love with it. It is an iconic machine, a revolutionary machine that kind of revolutionized as to what you can expect in this segment. So let's just quickly turn around and do one more. Oh. What a feeling, what a rush. That's absolutely scintillating stuff from KTM. And this is what they're known for, to knock the wind out of you with their sheer intensity of adrenaline rush, orange rush that these beasts have on offer. So glad KTM have gotten the formula bang on finally. They've given us what we've always, look at it, 10,000 RPM, and it shifts like pure silk. It's so smooth, and even the blipper is working so effortlessly and so smoothly. So this was just a quick update video. You already have my detailed first ride review. Where I give you all the details, and it still is a mean machine. And with this update, it is a paisa vasool bike. It's an absolute steal for the money it demands. Quick shifter plus with an auto blipper seals the deal for me. I'm tempted to buy this again, seriously. So that's pretty much it. I just hope you enjoyed watching this quick update video. Thanks for all the support. Yes, we are heading towards 7 lakh mark, and yes, it was dad's dream for me to achieve 1 million. He always kept asking before he passed on to glory, but together we can. With your support, it is possible. Please do subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and stay tuned for more action right here at Dino's Vault. I also did a video on Adventure 390 yesterday. Even that audio got messed up, so I'll try and feature it again for you. But thanks for watching. I'll just try and conclude this with my signature style ending, that is giving you guys the exhaust note. Also love the way the rev counter works. The orange kind of venom climbing and filling up your soul kind of a thing. And my friend is sure is lucky, because his was the last lot that got the Metzelers. So let's hope KTM bring back the Metzelers. I think there's some kind of a supply issue from the factory itself. Let's hope for the best as enthusiasts. And that's pretty much it. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Until then, take care, God bless, and ride safe. And here's the owner, Neeraj. Quick shifter is working flawlessly, and also you were one of the last lot to get that Metzeler tires motorcycle. So yeah, biker brother from a band of brothers who are from the riders group Crew Motomotive. Very good friend, almost like family for me. Thanks Neeraj for giving me this bike for this quick update. Stay tuned, and catch you guys in the next video. Until then, take care, God bless, and ride safe. The specs are fine. The specs are fine, right? Yeah. You just dropped them.
No,
No.
that is plastic.
Okay.